dawn is upon us at Tangaza University. On Saturday, 10th May, we gather as one family, students, alumni, friends and partners for a day of unity, reflection and purpose. Tangaza University joyfully invites you for a momentous occasion, celebrating a new dawn for a greater service to church and society.
This time, Tangaza, we are coming to you to invite you to an event that is very, very important for us. Event of Family Day celebrations, Tangaza Day celebrations, and fundraising.
A mission to teach minds, touch hearts, and transform lives through quality education, innovative research, and community service.
It will be an event where we shall celebrate our identity, we shall celebrate our milestones together as Tangaza. Since we were founded in 1986, we are almost clocking 40, and that is a reason for us to celebrate.
The day begins with Holy Mass at 10 a.m. East African time at Tangaza University grounds, presided by His Excellency Bart van Megen, the Apostolic Nuncio to Kenya. Then, we take a bold step into the future with a historic fundraiser, united in one goal, to support a greater mission.
This fundraising is in aid of the construction of a learning resource center, ultra-modern infrastructure that we want to build as a way of expanding the facilities of the university so that we can be able to provide conducive environment for teaching, for research, and community service. We have been on it. We have been fundraising since August last year, because we declared this year 2024-2025 as a fundraising year. And since August, we've been fundraising, and this day will be a culmination of a year-long fundraising initiatives, and we are inviting you, our friends, to come and be with us. Come and support Tangaza, one of the newly created universities, to build this learning resource center so that we can be able to continue teaching minds, touching hearts, and transforming lives in an effective way.
Be part of this extraordinary day, in person at Tangaza University, or live on Capuchin TV and across our social media platforms. Quality education, groundbreaking research, meaningful service. This is more than an event. It is a movement. Together, let's celebrate a new dawn for a greater service to church and society.
In case you will not be able to come and join us, but you still want to be part of this dream, support this Catholic university to teach minds, touch hearts, and transform lives through quality education, please feel free to support us. Our pay bill for this specific project is 880100. Pay bill number 880100. Account is 10850500063. Please come and support us on the 10th of May, 2025.
Keep watching Capuchin TV, your staunchly Catholic identity channel.